Hey guys, can you remove background from this noisy here? Okay, let us try to remove this background from this picture. First you need to unlock your layer. And after click channel, make copy the last channel. After you copy, you need to click and make and click adjustment. And after click levels. Add to the side to make background white. After finish, click OK. Next, click on Burns tool. In rank, choose mid-tone. And I process and at 100%. And next, I need to paint the black layers in the object this channel. And you can choose the brush tool to paint the black on this object. We do this because we want to remove the background from this picture. Now we divide two colors. The object, we need the black color, and the background, we need the white color. After I paint on this object, I need the dot tool to make my background white. And in range, click choose highlight. And I process, I need 100%. And next, I need to paint on the background that makes it white from this object. And this is exactly I know that if I do this, my background will cut and clearly from my pictures. In this practice, I want you to try step by step to get a good picture. After you use dots tool, you need to make a selection. You just press Ctrl and left click on the channel copy. And after, I need to unhide the color RGB. And hide the channel copy. Next, click on channel button. I want to remove some selection from these pictures. I click on lasso and choose this button and select to remove the selection from this picture. And after click on select and click on inverse to selection the objects. And after you want to gather pictures, you just press Ctrl G to make a copy layer. So the outcome, the white background removed from this picture. Okay, thank you for your trust sharing. See you next video.